The elephant in the room is the social and physical distancing, and we are getting solace from the fact that, don't take this wrongly, but the disease is still increasing. And the bottom line is that we shall not open until the disease has stopped increasing and stabilized for 14 days. When it does like that, the health experts, together with ourselves, will go back to the president and tell him what risk are we able to take, what risk is he able to take. For now, I do not think the president will be happy to open schools when we are still spiking. I'm not speaking for him, but the way I know he loves our children, to him, even one child getting dead that is avoidable is something that we are not going to deal with. The government is not sitting down and waiting. We are doing everything possible to ensure that should the situation arise, whether it is only the candidates opening or whether we are opening for everybody, we shall be ready in the best capacity that we can.